Welcome back, people. Today, we will look into some inbuilt modules in Python. Python comes with a standard library that contains several modules that can be used for common tasks such as sending emails, working with date and time, generating random values, generating random passwords, and so on. Where we can find those standard libraries. Open your browser and search for Python 3 module index. You will get this search result and select this one and you will get Python module index. You have all these modules as a part of the standard library. Don't worry about the large number of modules here. As you work on projects, you will get used to these modules. So now let's go back to our IDE and use a inbuilt module. Let's say let's say random. As random is an inbuilt module, the Python interpreter does not ask for the file to find the random module. It knows that the random module is built in module and knows where to find it. So if you are wondering where it is, you see there is an external library here inside which is Python library root inside which we have Python. See here we have the random module. So this is where Python fetches the module from. Every time we call the random function, it generates a random value between 0 to 1, which is a float. Now let's run the program. See, you have a value between 0 and 1, which is 0.774 and so on. So let's use a for loop. We have three values 0.911, 0.800, 0.756. Uh, since we have a range of 0 to 3, we have three values. Let's say we need a random value between 0 and 100. So to get that, we use the rand int function. Let's see how that works. So this is the range from which the random value will be generated. Now let's run the program. You'll see three numbers 17, 93, and 3. All are random numbers. If you run it again, you'll see three different numbers 72, 16, and 49. So this is how you generate three random numbers from the range 0 to 100. We can also randomly pick a number from a given list. So let's see how to do that. First, let's define a list and name it num. Num is equal to. So we have a list with several numbers in it. Now, what we are going to do is use the function called choice and pass the list inside the bracket. Now, if you run the program, you will get a single value. I mean, three values because we are giving a range of three. So, three values from the list 2, 14, and 3. Let's run it again. You will get 1, 4, and 5. So, now we know how to use the random function. Let's say we build a program to roll a dice. So we have the random module import random. Now let's define a class and name it dice. Let's define a function and name it roll. Let's define two variables. So now we have two variables. Now return these variables in the form of a tuple. Here you don't really have to give the parenthesis. Python understands these two values belong to a tuple. So now we will create an object for the class dice and call the roll function. Now if we run the program, we will get two numbers which are part of a dice. So run it again. You get 3 comma 3. Again you get 2 comma 2. Once more you get 5 comma 1 and so on. So this is how you create a program to roll a dice.